So hi, hello, welcome to my channel guys. So as you can see, this setup is new, right? So please comment below how is it. So today's topic is vulnerability in cybersecurity. So one is the more important topic in the cybersecurity. So those who are interested in start the journey in cybersecurity, for them this video will be more helpful. So watch this video till the end. So when you install a new antivirus, you will see some kind of vulnerability. At the same time, this antivirus shows some vulnerability also. At that time, you will think it is a virus, so we should fix as soon as possible. Yeah, you are correct. You should fix as soon as possible, but it's not a virus. Actually, this vulnerability in cybersecurity is a kind of weakness which can exploit the attacker to privilege the boundaries. I think you did got my points, right? So don't worry guys, we will sort out in easy manner so you can understand what is vulnerability means. Suppose there is a mall and the mall is very big. In entrance there is a high security also. So now at the same time there is a criminal over there with the gun and he want to enter to the mall with the gun. But the only way is the entrance gate, right? So he should find a loophole. So the loophole of the mall is parking zone's lift. In parking zone there is a lift and it is directly connected to the mall. So this is the loophole, right? So the vulnerability of the mall is parking zone's lift. So I think you got my point, right? So what I want to actually say, so if you face any kind of problem, so don't worry guys, just comment below, so I will help you in better way. So this total shopping mall scenario is only for example purpose guys, so you can understand in better way. That's it, don't think much. Cybersecurity, there are many vulnerabilities and I will say few of them. So before knowing that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel guys and add a like button and share this video. The common vulnerabilities in cybersecurity are, at first come bug. So I think you have listened this bug keyword in before, right? So when you install a new software, you will see many bugs and slowly it will be patching also. So as you can see, there are many bugs in the Windows 11 operating system, right? And next comes weak password. Yeah guys, I suggest you that make sure that your password should be bigger and stronger. And the password should be in underscore or alphabets or mix it also, it can be proper way, but it should be stronger and bigger. So make sure that. Next vulnerability comes missing data encryption. This encryption data is very important in the vulnerability, so make sure that. And next comes SQL injections. By using SQL injection, we can crack any kind of website and you can change the packets also. So not only this kind of stuff, you can change the, you can bypass the OTP in the websites also. So this SQL injection is a very important one in a cybersecurity field. These are the very few vulnerabilities in cybersecurity which I have discussed, and there are many vulnerabilities you can find in the Google also. So start searching it. And the final concept and the main concept is why this vulnerability cause. The cause of vulnerability. Why this vulnerability is present in the website or network or server or anything. Why this cause? How it happens. So let's discuss about it. The first cause of the vulnerability is security component. Yeah guys, if you don't have a proper antivirus or proper firewall, then it can easily hack, right? So this is one of the main cause of the vulnerability. Second cause, that is the cybersecurity awareness. Yeah guys, generally these people or society doesn't know how the attack performs. Still, there are many people who don't know about the phishing attacks, and this attack is mainly performed by the hackers nowadays. So if you don't know about the phishing attack, so don't worry guys, I will provide link in the description box, so just check it. So this is all about the basics of vulnerability. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, add a like button and share to your friends also, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. And finally, see you in the next video.